Here I am in Arizona. It's been 2 months now. I'm working on this house. And here's kind of an overview of what's done so far and what's not. As you can see here, we painted all the metal around the gates because they're rusting. There's still some tape there. We scraped and primed these gates because the paint was flaking horribly. As you can see in the distance, maybe we're working on the wall. It has to be painted yet. Okay, here's the front. Oh, there's a sprinkler leak. Great. That's just beautiful. Oh, for Christ's sake. Well, we're gonna have to shut off the sprinkler, I guess. Anyway, let's see what else. You can see the house is pretty dirty. It needs painting because there's old patches that show up. Here's some plaster work I've done. There's big cracks. Okay, same with this wall over here. That's going to need to be painted. Here is an issue. Okay, this porch has been leaking probably for 20 years. And you can see how the water is funneling in down to here. And you can see the rot along all this trim. See the rot there? And you see the bubbling on the plaster? Well, that's where water has been getting in all this time. And unfortunately, it's gotten into the inside. It has to be fixed. It's going to be a big job.